Hi traders and welcome to Forex Market Strategy. So we discuss the possible and potential fall in the market, okay? And we can see this happening. So I would prefer to stay away from the DAX, but we are still bearish in the DAX. You can see start falling right here. Let's look at some numbers here. Just a 2-hour chart. And that's a Renko chart, guys. The Renko chart is gonna make everything clean, so we can actually see the real movements. Okay. So basically, this is all the time high here, 16,000 exactly. Okay, from the pandemic, and it's very important to be aware of how much this extension right here. Okay. Just around the 127, a little bit above the 127. So basically, if we go to 130 or something, 133, 145, it's a little bit less, 140. Yeah, very close to 140. Okay. So basically, this move, if we consider this 100%, this 140%. Okay. So the index, since the fall, it did make 140%, okay, compared to the previous wave. So if someone did buy from here, he made tons of money. Basically, also if you look at this was 8,200, that's almost 16,000. So for the price wise, it did double from 8,000 to 16,000. So imagine within 1 year, you 1 year and a half or so, you double 100%, you know, 100% in the price of the index. So the index was 8,000, you go to 16,000. This like very rare to happen, okay, guys. Okay, so correction wise, if we're looking at this big wave, if we're gonna get a correction, how much we can fall to? 10% is normal, but also the 23 and 58 are in the play. This one level and that one level. Okay, so we get the two fib levels right here, right there. Okay, guys. Yeah. One more thing to look at this one is actually make the channel. It's a little bit difficult because you don't have all the levels exactly, you know. So the best way to do this will be considering this line and actually having to do parallel lines to it, like this and this. And you take one and put it right there, and you take one and put it right there. Okay. And I wouldn't go all the way to this peak right here because I will be missing this one and that one and that one. So basically, if I can just go a little bit like this, so basically I get this peak and this peak and this peak, this will be much better in drawn trend line than actually going for the only one time peak. And after such a big peak, they had to get so big correction. Okay. So once you get this, in place, then you have some levels to watch. Okay, guys. So basically, when watching here, this will be some levels right here we can watch for sure. This one, 14,200. Okay, this is very important level to watch for, and of course we don't want to break above here. Okay, so basically we can see this fall coming. If we go to 4-hour time frame, see guys the candle right there. I think this is also going to be like a free fall. Okay, if you go like this, So we are gonna get probably a very big strong move in the DAX very soon. Okay? So this was the first correction. It did go to make a high. It's coming. It did go multiple times here, 1, 2, 3 times the same price, and right now start falling again. Okay, so this fall I think is going to be very strong fall. So basically, this can fall down in the same manner. Right here, if we can take this right there, yeah. You can flip it and just bring it here, guys. Something like this right there. We're probably gonna get something very close to this move right here. Gonna just make it a little bit lighter. Does it fit you? Okay. So basically, this is the move we are looking for in the. I can make it right. Also, this is good because this comes as a trend line. So basically, if this happens, so basically it will break it and come to retest it and continue to fall right here. And this level probably is good. So we're talking between 15,600 and 14,200. That's like 1,400 points down. Okay, we're talking about 1,400 points down. Okay, so 1,400 points down in the DAX. So basically, this is a short setup. So basically, DAX did rise from 8K, 16K, and possibly time for 10% protection. This is going to be short, and we're going to go here, and that's DAX. Okay, guys, is there any question I can help with? So, so far, the view on the DAX is very bearish, and we discussed this one. Okay, and we are waiting for this fall to continue all the way here. Basically, this trend line probably is going to be tested at 15,200. Okay, and also because 1,500 level is, round number, psychological number. So basically, if you look here, see it was at 1,500. What happened right here? Very normal. See this one? See this one? See right here? See this one? See this one? Because everybody's asking, are we going to break and stay above the 15,000 or no? Very round number. See what happened here? It comes exactly to the 15,000 exactly. Just maybe it's 50 points above or something. But the question is, it failed to break 16,000. What's the question now? Oh, is it gonna fall to 15,500? Okay, so basically it's approaching 15 right there. See, 15,500 exactly. then the bulls try again. Then I was coming back again. So basically, what they're gonna, everybody's looking at 15,500. Okay. What I'm telling you, it's gonna break it. See what happened here? It did bounce back. It did break, but it did bounce back here. I think it's gonna break it. It's gonna do a retest in this area. Then from here, we're gonna actually fall to 14,300, 200 area, and from there we can see what's happening. Okay. So that's how the big traders are thinking. Okay. Psychological numbers. Okay. Round number. Very important to watch the round number. See exactly like everybody put his take profit or stop loss or whatever 16,000 exactly. So that's why I don't do this. Okay. After this, we're gonna look at the USDCAD. We're looking for a buy position here, guys, in the USDCAD. So we are bullish in the USDCAD. In Japanese yen, we are looking for this wave to continue down to the downside, guys. All of it, all the way down. See this one right here. So basically, you are pushing this one, Australian Japanese yen. This is also a bearish move. Okay. Very clear right there. See the correction. It's coming down. Correction. Continue downward move. See it falls from 85. I think this is going back to 70, 75. Still a lot to fall. Still a lot. Probably we're gonna come here 73 area. See all this way? See guys what's happening here? Let's make it clean. Here. Right there. Sorry. I'm gonna remove everything. See guys where we're going? Right there. Right there. Let's see this. Here. 50% exactly. Okay. From 50 to 61. Just like that. Right there. That's where the Australian Japanese yen is going. Right. Big fall, big fall. Big fall. See how it falls in ABC formation. You come down, you go up, then you start falling down. That's how it works. Okay. You can take screenshot. How much time basically to forecast the time also kind of. Okay. A little bit less or more, but you get an idea. Basically how you do it, you just come and take a line like this, and you take this copy paste and just put it right there. Then you check the date. You go vertical line here and check the date. So around 24th of September. Okay. So basically within 10 days or so, we can get this move to reach here. Okay, guys. Basically, this means also we're gonna see the Dow Jones is falling strongly. So I'm very bearish in the Dow guys these days. See how it's double top here in the Renko, very clear, right? You can see it in the Renko, very clear, double top. See the double top is beautiful. See this? See the signal I put bearish signal from a long time ago. See, I have been screaming, this is gonna fall, this is gonna fall. You guys, see, it's very clear double top, you cannot miss it. See this trouble? 1, 2, 3. It did break it, but everybody's gonna say it didn't make a new higher high. No, it didn't make a significant higher high. This is a term, guys. This is what's showing momentum. When you see a significant higher high, it's momentum. When you see just a very close higher high, it's losing momentum. It's gonna reverse. Okay, so this is a trick. This is a difference between someone who got to understand what he's doing. Okay, so significant higher high. Everybody's saying an uptrend is making a higher high, not only higher high, significant higher high. Okay, just making a higher rise in wage. Actually, you're making higher highs, guys. You keep going like this. That's higher highs, right? But basically, you see not significant higher high. And every time you make a high, you come 80% correction. So basically, you are losing what you're going, right? Just like you're going upstairs in a building. Every time you go 10 steps up, you go 8 back. Are you going forward? Yes, you're going forward. With momentum, no, you're very weak. Someone is very sick. Someone is very sick. Okay. Let me give you 2 examples right here. So basically, this is going to crash, guys. Okay, crash big time. Right here. 32,500 the target. Remember this number. Type it down. 32,500. Okay. I have been saying this since we were like 35,600 or 36,500. Okay, in this area right there. So basically, we're going down to 32,500. I'm still 34,600. So that's 4,000 ahead of time. Still a lot of pips to come down. So basically, the example right here. The example, someone is going upstairs, okay, he goes 10 stairs up, then come down, then 10 stairs, come down only 2. That's strong guy, okay? You just take a little bit of break. But imagine someone goes 10, okay, then come 8, then goes 10, then come 8, then goes 10. Then this is sick. This is someone is sick. He can't go up. Every time he goes up, he comes back down. So basically, he's gonna fail and he's gonna fall. So that's basically a rise in wage. Okay, where this is uptrend.